How to set up Facebook community group chat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through on how you can set up Facebook page community group chat. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. To set up a community chat within the Facebook group from the Facebook mobile app, you want to navigate to your group, then you want to tap chats option. So you can see here group. I'm on the Facebook page. You can head over to chats here, and once on chats here, you should get an interface somewhat like this. So here I have installed the business ads manager and meta ads manager. So I'll just disable this real quick. Now we can do it on the website as well. Either ways here, you can see the option here and you can see group chat option once you tap on the icon at the top right. Then you can tap on group chat and now you can create the group here. You can search for it or you can create one as well. You can also do so on the website by heading into facebook.com and switching to desktop website. However, you'll have to keep in mind that you might not get the option to create the group chat, the community chat essentially, as it depends on the account. Sometimes you get it, on some accounts you get it, on some accounts you don't. Either ways, you can create a group easily and create the group chat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.